Meaning of gypsum.
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 Gypsum. Gypsum is a soft sulfate mineral composed of calcium sulfate dihydrate. Its chemical formula is CaSO4,2H2O. The word gypsum is derived from the Greek word for chalk or plaster. Gypsum is commonly used as a fertilizer in construction materials such as drywall and plaster, and in the production of cement. It is also used in artistic and decorative applications, such as sculptures and molds. Because of its softness and ability to be easily carved, gypsum has been used for centuries in art and architecture. Overall, gypsum is a versatile mineral with many practical and artistic applications.